guys, welcome to a Snacktastic adventure. I'm joined with Kelly and special guest today, our father.
How art in heaven.
There you go.
There you go.
Well, today we've got a very tasty snack to try here. Have you ever eaten a taco and wished it was a jelly bean?
Can't say I have. Nope. Nope.
Yeah,
Never.
yeah. Well, it happened anyway. The taco truck jelly beans.
Oh, woohoo.
So there are, let's see, 6 flavors: Margarita, Churro, Salsa, Guacamole, Beef Taco, and Horchata.
That's the margarita. I'm looking forward to those.
Everything else is gonna be weird.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say let's go for the Margarita one.
How can you tell the difference between that and the guac?
That's gonna be the fun. All right, so this first one's supposed to be Margarita. Hopefully none of us got a guacamole. Let's give it a try.
Jelly belly.
Here we go. Margarita. I taste it. What? What's going on with you? Are you?
I don't know.
You don't know if it's guacamole or margarita? Can you imagine a guacamole margarita?
I don't know what that was. I don't know.
That wasn't a margarita though?
Maybe? I don't know. I couldn't tell. At first it started sucking, but then at the end it was okay, so I don't know. I don't know. We'll see.
Let's try the guacamole and find out.
Let's.
All right, so I'm guessing. Yeah, you know what? That looks a lot like yours. You might have had guacamole.
Oh.
Go ahead, Dad. Ready for some guacamole? Ready. All right, here we go.
Guacamole and a bean. Maybe that wasn't what I had the first time. I don't know.
Guacamole is a jelly bean. 2 thumbs down.
Yeah, that was not it. That was not the moment.
Now
I'm gonna wash it down.
Wash it down with a margarita jelly bean.
Okay, I definitely had the guacamole the first time.
Oh.
Did not taste like this.
Whoops. No. So let's move on to salsa.
I'm scared.
I feel like this will be just as gross as the guac. Here we go.
Maybe tomato?
It's spicy.
Oh my God. That definitely tastes like salsa. It's like, it's good salsa, but it's gross that it's in a jelly bean. That's what's making it hard. That was salsa. That was really salsa.
That was salsa.
I can't believe that.
The texture just with the taste does not go hand in hand.
I'm disgustingly impressed.
It's salsa. I'll give it that. They made it taste like
They did
salsa.
a pretty good job, yeah.
And the churro and beef taco look very similar.
Churro.
Yeah, this one should be alright. Should be cinnamon.
Churro. Yeah, it's maybe like a hot tamale. I don't know.
No, it should be sweet, right?
Oh.
Pleasant.
Tastes like a Krispy Kreme donut.
Cotton candy?
A little
Actually,
like artificial cotton candy, yeah.
it does have that
Which,
flavor.
I guess all cotton candies are artificial.
Yeah, it tastes really. I don't really taste churro when I taste that.
Let's have some beef taco beans.
It's
like a-
looks like a tortilla.
Yeah.
Marble.
Or a dragon's egg.
A dragon's
What
egg.
do you want to do?
Little quail egg.
What's your thoughts on that one?
It's okay.
Was it?
Yeah.
That tastes like taco seasoning. I can't believe it.
Real, I'm surprised I'm not throwing up.
I know. How?
Yeah, I feel for the person that had to like taste test these. Like, yeah, that's a beef taco.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, it's so hard to finish. Oh my god. Oh, I don't like the after flavor.
Well, now it's time to wash it all down with horchata.
Yes, that is what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna guess it's a very creamy, milky kind of taste to it. Oh,
That
Yeah.
kind of tastes like a churro.
yeah, more than the churro did.
But it's good. That was good.
That was good.
That tastes horchata-y, like after flavor.
Now that we've had all of them, time to see what
Stop.
you don't have to, but
Okay.
I'm gonna have the beef taco, the salsa, and the guacamole. Try a taco.
You can go on that journey alone. Feel like you're at a Mexican restaurant?
Nope, terrible idea.
Immediately regret it. That's awful.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Why don't we go around and say which flavor we liked best of the taco truck?
Okay.
All right, Father, which one did you like the most?
How about this?
Yeah, that's
Margarita.
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 Okay,
Okay,
yep.
Margarita was your
I had
favorite.
to
Yes.
try that one again. just to
All right.
decide.
Kelly?
It's hard to decide between the margarita and the horchata. I'm gonna say horchata just because it was pretty close to having the flavor of the horchata
Yeah.
/ churro.
Gonna go with the horchata. Yeah,
Horchata.
because I mean, it's not something I would want a bunch of jelly beans of, but it just had the funnest flavor. Horchata was the best though. Margarita
Horchata.
wasn't as strong.
Horchata.
Horchata.
Or you don't have to say the H.
Oh. It's not a horchata.
Yeah, no, it's not. No, it's not.
Horchata.
Yeah, that's it.
I think that's gonna wrap up this strange taco truck jelly bean adventure. So until next time, keep on snacking!